In today's video, I'm going to show you text organization that's made easy with Gemini right here in Google Sheets. So if you want to quickly organize your text into different categories, you can easily do that with the help of Gemini. And in this example, I have this sales report and I just want to quickly categorize these products right here. So to start off, I'm going to click on that cell where I'm going to start my text organization. Go to Gemini here in the menu bar and select Categorized Text. If I click on that, it will quickly insert the AI formula. So with your AI formulas, you're just quickly creating that prompt instead of going to Ask Gemini right here. We're creating that prompt within that cell. So what we want for this one to do would be to categorize each product to the categories of electronics, apparel, home goods, or accessories. So that's what I'm going to do with my prompt. Here we have it. So it's quite straightforward. We have categorized each product to these categories, whether that's electronics, apparel, home goods, or accessories. Now our first cell reference for this one would be, of course, this first product right here, which we're going to select. Then if we press enter, it will read through those categories and it will quickly categorize that product into this category right here. And there you have it. So it was able to analyze what product it is and which category it belongs. And there we have it. And to quickly fill out the rest of our data, we can just simply double click on this bottom corner. Here we have it. Double click on that and it will fill out the rest of your data, applying the same AI prompt that we had on that first cell right there. And there you have it. So with the help of Gemini, we were able to quickly classify which category this product belongs to. And that's how you do text organization with Gemini right here in Google Sheets. So this video is part of my Gemini series where I teach you how to use Gemini here in Google Sheets. If you're interested in the full playlist, I'll be leaving a card at the top right corner for you to click and watch. Also, if you still need extra help with Sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you should definitely check out. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.